Making pancakes.
We're all gone, Joey.
Are you making some more?
They're all gone, Joey.
Are you making some more?
What does it look like?
Yeah.
How am I supposed to flip this, Mom?
Very carefully.
Move, kids. Mom.
Yeah, do it this way.
Let's slide it under.
How are you?
Guys. It's so flimsy.
Now just kind of flip.
You know how hard that's going to be without ripping it apart?
Oh, yeah.
One.
2. Yay! We'll put this on our MySpaces too.
Like a mommy, it's a monkey.
Well,
It's a monkey?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Well, high five. That was an epic
Hold on.
cake flip.
That was... Point, get it down to me. That was huge. Get it down to me. Get it down to me.
Rah! Show you scared. I need this pan again.
Oh, this is a big piece too. Excuse me, Dad. How are you going to cut that into circles? S-N-D-U-N-T.
I'm not cutting it into circles, Joey.
S-N-D-U-N-T.
I plan on eating it all by myself.
It's a doggy,
Whoa.
Mommy.
Roll it up like a burrito.
Oh god, that'll be the thickest burrito I've
It's
ever
a
eaten.
doggy. It's a dog. Oh, my phone's there.
That sucks.
It's
Just
a
sexy
doggy,
beautiful.
Mommy. It's a doggy.
Wait, do you have like pan spray so it'll slide off this pan better?
It's a doggy. It's a doggy, Mommy. It's a doggy. It's a doggy. Mommy, it's a doggy. It's a doggy, Mommy.
Yes, it's a doggy.
You talk a lot, Samantha. Oh, I want it to slide.
Maybe it's not done yet.
It's done. I can tell you that.
Oh, I can't do anything on my phone now.
Joey, shush.
I cannot do anything.
Well, you don't need a phone, you're 6. You said it like 8 times. Can't get it to... Hey. Can you believe Billy Mays died? Oh, really? It's all because some idiot didn't know how to fly a plane.
Something went wrong with the tire, was busted or something, so they must not have did a very good job in checking to make sure it was decent.
Could have been.
The wheels weren't broken.
It could have happened on takeoff, Ma. A lot of things happen in airplanes.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Start to annoy me. Go up. There we go.
There we go. Big pancake.
All for me.
I know it's not the world's biggest, I'm sure, but pretty cool.
I'll go online and figure it out.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, friends and family. Bye.